Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and I'm going to do a video on two products by Olaplex today. These are styling products and treatments in one. We have Olaplex number 6, which is the Bond Smoothing Leave-In Reparative Styling Cream, as well as Olaplex number 7, which is the Bonding Oil. These products are fantastic. I'm going to talk all about them, what they're doing for my hair, all about Olaplex. Real quick, the lip color I am wearing, sometimes people ask, by Doll 10. This is a color called Pampered. It's a core lipstick with the treatment in the core. I have a discount code for this brand below. Love the brand. I'm an ambassador because they are one of my favorite makeup brands, but you want to know about Olaplex, so let's not spend more time on what's not Olaplex. This is day one freshly washed hair, by the way. I did use these two products. My hair has suffered some damage lately from using products that were supposed to be marketed and saved towards curls and weren't a really big brand too. Did a whole video on that. We'll post it below if you'd like to check that out. But my hair is now recovering, and using Olaplex has really gone a long way with my hair looking a lot better than it was looking post-damage. I'm so grateful for this brand. Also guys, if you've never watched me before, hi, I'm Diane. Thank you. I do not edit my videos. I am so far from a perfect human being that sometimes, I stutter, mess up, flub words, but I record one done through and don't edit. It's just my style, so just be warned for that. So I also have a corresponding blog post. I will post that below as well, and I'll be reading some stuff off that so I don't forget to tell you a couple of things that I do want to say. So about Olaplex number 6 and 7, they are free of sulfate, parabens, phthalates. They're vegan, they're cruelty-free, they're gluten-free, and they come in recycled packaging. So all amazing things. Now you hear Olaplex 6 and 7. If you're unfamiliar with Olaplex, they are a company that help repair the bonds of the hair, help the integrity of the hair, and help make your hair stronger, healthier, more manageable. So you hear 6 and 7, that means there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? There is. Just if you never heard of them, really quick. 1 and 2 are treatments you're only supposed to get at salons. You could mix them with your color, if you mix them with your chemical service, or you could do them as a standalone treatment if your hair needs repair. I have a professional stylist friend that got me 1 and 2. I've been doing them at home monthly for years. So after 1 and 2, there's also 3. Number 3 is a take-home version of number 1 and 2. It's not quite as strong, but still amazingly effective. Sephora has it. I'll link it below. I did a whole video on number 3 and why I love it for curly hair. I think it was 2018. I'll post that video below because I still stand by it. I still love number 3 as much now, if not even more than I did then. I use it at least once a week with the damage and stuff. I've even been using it more, and it's really helping my hair come back to life. So after 3, before 6, we have 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. I used them for a while and I love them. Did a video on them, we'll post below. And then my best friend really wanted them because she colors her hair, and out of the kindness and generosity of my heart, I gave them to her. I regret that now because now I really want to incorporate them. So I'll be rebuying them for myself. The good thing about 4 and 5 is even that shampoo and conditioner. Actually, the good thing about all of Olaplex, including the 2 I'm about to really go in depth with, you don't need much at all. This stuff is so concentrated that it will last even with this high porosity, super dry, frizzy, unmanageable, damaged hair. I find that these bottles, this little 1 ounce bottle, is actually lasting. So that's always a good thing. So let's talk about number 6, which is the leave-in. So I have 2 bottles here. So you might be looking at this bottle and you're like, Diane, that doesn't look used. How are you reviewing this? It doesn't look used. Are you kidding me right now? And I would agree with you. But this is my one that's almost empty. So I've been using it. I've been using it every single wash day for quite a few washes now. I'd say at least 2 to 3 weeks. Been using it on dry hair as well, and I love it. I loved it that I bought it back up before I even ran out of it, because that's how much this product is changing my hair. So what it is, I'm reading this from them. It's a leave-in reparative styling cream that eliminates frizz, hydrates, and protects all hair types. It's a concentrated leave-in. It's great for color-treated hair, chemically treated hair, all types of hair. It strengthens, hydrates, moisturizes, and speeds up blow-dry time while smoothing and eliminating frizz for 72 hours. Pretty sure I said eliminating wrong, but what are you going to do? As far as the blow-dry claim is concerned, I have not used this with a blow-dryer, so I can't speak about what it does for that. But as far as everything else that they are saying, that it strengthens, hydrates, moisturizes, and helps frizz, I agree with all of them. Using it on wet hair, I definitely find that my hair is more manageable, that I have a lot less frizz. My split ends don't look as severe. I still need a trim from this damage, don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna say that I don't, because I still do, but my hair is looking a lot better than it was looking. It's not looking as stringy. I'd like to believe that it's helping to protect my hair, and it's just making my curls look better and it look a little more lively again. I think I said it, that you don't need much of this at all. Very concentrated, smells amazing, and I really like it for days old hair too. If my hair is looking a little frizzy or rambunctious, use like a pea size, like so little, and you just smooth it in and that's it, and you're good to go. So really like it. The reparative properties saving me from the damage. So let's go on to number 7. Oh, by the way, this is a 3.3 ounce bottle. Number 7 is a 1 ounce bottle. And when I first got it, I was like, are you kidding me? That thing is so small. I'm going to use it up so quickly because I have a decent amount of hair, have very dry hair. Hair's thirsty, hair likes a lot of product, and I'm very heavy-handed. Despite being very heavy-handed, even when I use this, because the way you, that's how you take it out of this, like I'll shake it and I'll see a decent amount in my hand, and it still looks like I haven't used quite that much from here, which is impressive. It's magical in its own right, and I'm not complaining. I like that. It just seems like, where is it all coming from? Alright, but what this is a first of its kind, highly concentrated, ultra lightweight reparative oil. There's some highlighted ingredients on here that I did copy from them onto the blog. Not going to read it all. There's a lot of chemistry talk that I don't fully understand because I'm not a professional stylist. You can either pause this and try to read it, or what I recommend is going to the blog and reading that. But there's really great ingredients in here to help your hair, to help with breakage, to help anything. And I have actually noticed since using them a little less hair in the shower, which is amazing. So they say that this is a lightweight oil. So how I'm using it, because I do like something with a little weight, because I like to depoof a little bit, is in my wet hair, I'll use a different cream. Then I'll use this leave-in cream. Then I use a gel. And then I use a different oil blend. Then I take my Aqua's towel, remove the moisture from my hair, and then I use this as my very last step of my wet hair styling routine. It might sound like a lot of products. My hair is damaged and this is what's working for me right now, and you got to do what works for you and just ignore everyone else. But really liking it. It is lightweight, but I do feel that it's helping the split ends. It's giving shine. The shine is absolutely unreal, and it really is like the lightest weight oil that I've ever felt. It almost feels more like water than actual oil. Again, if my days old hair needs a little shine and doesn't need weight, I could go in with a little of that too. But I really am feeling that using 6 and 7 every wash is helping my hair come back to life after some damage, which is incredible. And I like when styling products are treatments in one, because I feel like, you know, when you put a styling product in your hair, it's like living in your hair maybe for a few days and stuff, so let it treat while it like hangs out in your hair. So do I recommend them? I absolutely do. I will say that both products do have silicones, and I know that curly girls, you know, sometimes are nervous with silicones. I did recently start incorporating silicones into my routine again because I need them. I need them because I do have damaged hair now. I did a whole separate video all about why I'm using silicones again, so I'll link that below so that this video doesn't get really long. But I also reached out to Olaplex to try to get a quote about why they're silicones in 6 and 7. So this is going to be from them. That the methicones vary by viscosity and molecular weight. It's the molecular weight of the dimethicone, which is a silicone, that they use, and what other materials that the dimethicone is combined with that determines the degree of water solubility. In the bond smoother, for instance, in this number 6, the dimethicone has the lowest molecular weight and is combined with isopropyl alcohol, which is a silicone solubilizing agent. Again, another word I flubbed on. You're going to do it. But the product is able to work with great results on any type of hair and is removed easily with shampooing. Olaplex would never jeopardize its integrity or reputation in the industry by using any ingredient or anything else that wouldn't be beneficial for consumers or stylists. So that was a direct quote from Olaplex when I messaged them on Instagram for information. So yeah. Okay guys, gonna wrap this up because it's still under 10 minutes. If you like my videos and my reviews, please thumbs up, comment, subscribe would be awesome. Check me out on Insta, check out the blog, check out Olaplex if you have damaged hair, and I'll see you next time. Bye. By the way, I bought these myself at Sephora, so I'm not sponsored, endorsed, any of that jazz. Bye guys.